Hi everybody, it's Miss Moore again. I'm going to walk you through the GeoInquiry World Population Assignment activity and help you navigate ArcGIS. So at this point you should have completed steps 1 and 2, and now we're moving on to answering questions about the GeoInquiry World Population. So I'm going to click on this assignment. A couple things Miss Moore wants to point out. You will be submitting a Microsoft form. Once you submit that form, you cannot go back and change your answers. So if you would like a document that you can work in as a rough draft, I've provided a Word document for you. So again, the map link is there, all of the questions you can answer and then transfer to the Microsoft form. So let's look at the Microsoft form. Again, I've provided the link to ArcGIS. You'll need to put your name and provide the course that you're taking. And then a suggestion, I would look at the questions before you answer them. But again, they'll give you the directions. You'll click on the map link to start the map. You'll click on the contents button, which I'll show you that, and then we'll show you a legend, and you'll click on the layer name of world population, and then you'll answer questions. Each question will give you directions for what you are going to answer. So let's look at the map in ArcGIS. So I'm going to click there, and a few things. So you see the legend, and it explains this is a dot map, and it will explain what each dot means. If I want to move the map, so I want to move it, I'll click on the screen and drag it over. Now if I want to zoom in to a country, I'm going to hit that plus arrow and zoom in. But I want to know at this dot right here what the data is, and I'll click on that. And so the country's name is China, and it will give me the populations as it grows from 1960 to 2019. And also I can see a chart where they were growing as well. All right, so again, I want to see other places. I can move my map. Maybe I want to zoom out a little bit, so I'm going to hit the minus button and zoom out. I want to get back to where the map started, so I'm going to hit the home button. And it'll take me back there. If you ever want to get back to the home, you just click the home button. All right, so I have clicked on buttons about world population. A couple things. If you would like a chart, they'll give you a detailed chart with the country's name and their growing population, so there's a way to see this if the dots are too much for you. I'm going to close that out. If I want to change the style, there are options down here to change the styles of maps. I would not suggest playing around with that, but you can. So I'm done answering my questions on world populations. I'm going to remove that layer, and now I'm going to move on to population density. So again, if you want the information about the density, you'll click on the country and it will provide the population densities for you. Same features are here. Again, you can have a chart, you can change the style. I'm going to unclick this, and then again, you can leave multiple layers on. It may be harder for you to read all the map, so I would suggest, that's a lot of color, I would suggest removing the layers as you answer the questions. So again, if you can see, if I need to zoom in because I want to be able to see some of the countries up close, and then I'll click on that and it will provide the detailed information for me. All right, so again, I want to go home. I'm going to click that. I'm going to take the infant mortality rate off, and I'm going to look at the total fertility, and you can see the various shades. Life expectancy, again, I'm going to do the same thing, and then take that off, and I'll have my natural increase rate. All right, so those are the basics for ArcGIS. Again, please make sure that you answer all the questions, give thoughtful responses, and please make sure that you proofread your answers before you submit your information. If you need extra help, please email me at shannon.moore@cobk12.org. Thank you.